FitOn Premium Workout App. The pros, the cons. If you've been hunting for a fitness app that actually keeps you motivated without draining your wallet, FitOn Premium might be the one. But is it really worth the upgrade? Let's break down the pros and cons so you can decide for yourself. First, the pros. FitOn Premium stands out for one big reason: accessibility. Even the free version offers an impressive library of workouts from cardio and high to yoga, Pilates and strength training. But the premium plan takes it to another level. You get exclusive content from celebrity trainers like Gabrielle Union and Jonathan Van Ness, plus personalized meal plans, real-time heart rate tracking, and downloadable offline workouts. The app is beautifully designed, simple, motivating, and packed with variety. There's something for every fitness level, and sessions range from quick 5-minute bursts to full 45-minute workouts. The social aspect is another plus. You can work out with friends, join challenges, and share progress, which helps build consistency. Now for the cons. While Premium offers great value, the main downside is that most of the workouts are pre-recorded, so there is no live coaching or interaction. Some users also mention that the nutrition plans feel generic and could use more customization. And if you already use a smartwatch or fitness tracker, sensing data can occasionally be hit or miss. In conclusion, FitOn Premium is one of the most affordable, well-rounded fitness apps out there. It's perfect for people who want flexibility, fun, and expert guidance in one place. If you're looking for a low-cost way to stay consistent and energized, this might be the upgrade your routine needs.